Damn. So I want to make a video about this thing since yesterday. So since the whole Sushant Singh Rajput situation, people have started posting about mental health awareness, and along with people who are posting about mental health awareness, and people are saying, including me, like people have been saying that you can talk to me anytime you want to, etc. Sorry, I'm panting because I just got done with my workout for the day. So anyway, people have been posting about mental health awareness, and people are saying, you can talk to me anytime you want to, and all of these things. And along with these posts, there are some people who are saying things like, hey, you've been a bully in school, or you made fun of this particular person in your college time, etc. So you don't talk about mental health awareness and all of that. So I have a confession to make. When I was in college, in my degree college, there are like few people that I made fun of. I'm being honest, I made fun of these people, and if not directly bullied them, then I definitely didn't fight for these people. I've even passed some homophobic comments in my college days, or if there were people passing homophobic comments, or if there are people like passing like making fun of someone, a particular person, then I just laughed along. So it makes me as much of a bully. But in 2016, my college principal at that time, Shamali ma'am, she started teaching us about empathy, and that's when I came to know about empathy, honestly. And that's when I started learning about empathy, and I started learning about kindness. It's how necessary it is to be kind, and all of that. So I learned about empathy uh, in 2017. Like I was 21 years old. So all I'm trying to say here is, if someone has been a bully in the past, if someone has been mean in the past, if someone has been homophobic in the past, or passed homophobic comments in the past, or any such thing, then it doesn't mean that they are hypocrites for posting about mental health awareness now. Are you understanding me? So if someone is trying to change themselves, अगर कोई अपने आप को बदलना चाह रहा है अच्छे तरह से, if someone is trying to bring a good change in themselves, then we yeah, Rohan, I'm trying to breathe. Yes, Sarah. Actually, I was working out, that is why I'm breathing heavy. But yeah, that's my point. So if someone is trying to be good, if someone is trying to bring a good change in themselves, within themselves, if someone is trying to be more aware about mental health issues, and trying to speak, or being trying to be there for people now, even if they have been like trash in their past, we just need to give them a chance to do so. Don't you think so? I mean, everyone deserves a chance to bring a good change within themselves. If someone had discouraged me back in 2016 कि वैष्णवी, तू तो कॉलेज में बहुत बुली करती थी सबको, ऐसा वैसा, तो तू तो बोली मत, तू तो एम्पैथी के बारे में बात ही मत कर, देन आई वुड हैव लाइक बीन लाइक, यार चक इट, आई एम जस्ट अ ट्रैश पर्सन, लेट आई जस्ट बी लाइक दैट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, राइट? So let's not discourage people who are trying to bring change within themselves. let's not be bitter about that now, right? Yeah, so that's all I'm making this video for. And also I would like to apologize to people who I've been mean to in the past, like in my college days or whatever. Because we were like lame, right? I wasn't really aware. So I'm sorry to those whom I've hurt and said weird mean stuff to in my college or school, whatever. School, I've not been mean to in school though. My school was pretty nice, like, nice females in my school, so yeah. But yeah, so let's encourage people to be good. If people are being good, let's just encourage them to continue being good, to continue being kind, to continue teaching them empathy, understanding their point of view as well. Because if someone is hurting another person, it's definitely coming from a place where they have been hurt in the past as well. Nobody would just do mean stuff just like that, trust me. So yeah, I will take rest next time. But yeah, so I'm done giving my opinion or whatever on this topic. But yes, let's stop let's stop posting bullshit such as मतलब तू तो बात ही मत कर इसके बारे में, ऐसा वैसा. चिल करो, मतलब अभी. हाँ, कोई अच्छा बन रहा है, अच्छा रहने दो सबको. थैंक यू ओशन. Apologize to me, Sarah. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go now and take bath because I'm sweating. Bye. Take care, everyone. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family and friends and your loved ones and your dogs and your cats and crocodiles, whoever you love. काळजी घ्या. येते. Bye.